guys, welcome back to Berylawes YouTube channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to properly draft your armhole princess dart. It is very simple as usual. So if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please kindly go ahead to do so, and if you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. And please don't forget to put on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload new videos, you will be notified. So let's get started. So we need our basic bodice pattern to make in order for us to make our armhole princess dart. I have a detailed video on how to draft it. I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you can watch that. So I have both the front and back here. We will be working with the front first, and what we will need is our shoulder to underbust, and the shoulder to underbust I'm working with is 13 inches. So from the tip of the neck here, I'm going to mark 13 inches, and that is my underbust. So you can mark what you have left. I'm having 3 inches here, and I'm going to square it across. So you mark it here so that you can have a straight line, 3 inches, and I'm going to rule that. So the next thing I want to do now is to contour my underbust, and I will be contouring it with half of an inch on both sides. So I'm marking half of an inch on both sides here. I'm going to connect from here to here, connect from my underbust to the waist this way. Sorry, not straight, so let me connect it very, okay. Then here I'm going to use my curve ruler to do the connection. First, I will use pencil to do that. So I will use pencil to connect it first because it's going to be a temporary curve. It's this way. The same thing here. This one, I will be using my marker to connect this because I've gotten what I need here. Okay, later on we'll come back here. You see why I used pencil here. Then for the armhole princess dart, I will be marking 4 inches here. It actually depends on where you want yours to be. I want mine to be 4 inches, and I'm going to take my curve ruler, connect it to the bust point here. See that it's not too curvy. That way it will be easier for you to sew. So from here I'm going to come down. So I'm contouring the armhole so that there wouldn't be any bulge at the armhole area here. So I'll place my curve ruler once again. I'm going to extend the line by 1.5 inches that I came down with. Remember, I came down by 1.5 here. So I'm going to raise it here by 1.5 and connect it back to the armhole, to the underarm, sorry. So you can see that once you have your basic bodies, you can make any other outfits from your basic bodies. So that is settled. So back to this place, I want you to watch the way I place my curve ruler, ensuring that you see why I used pencil initially. So you place your curve ruler this way such that it touches your underbust and it touches this line here, so that you'll be able to blend it. So you see what I'm doing now. I'm trying to get my curve here. So if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to give me a giant thumbs up. So you can see that we are having space of 1/4 of an inch in between, because this is not supposed to meet your your bust point. You can see how curvy it is now. So we have gotten a perfect shape here. So now I'm going to cut it out so that you can see it. But before I cut it out, you can decide to leave your neckline this way, but I'm not going to leave mine at that. I did 3 inches before, so I'm going to add 1/2 inch to it. So I'm doing 3/4. I'm doing 3.5 inches now, and from the neck of the point neck here, I'm going to do 8 inches this way. So I will connect it. I'm doing curvy V this way. You can see this is what I want. Or if you want it to be more curvy, you can adjust your curve ruler this way. I think I prefer this. Okay, so I'll be marking this one. I'll be cutting out downward. So I'm going to cut it out for you to see. Now let's cut here. Don't forget to close your side dart and your bust dart this way. Okay. Then we cut the center front. Please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave your comments. Let me know how you feel about this video, and if there are styles that you want me to make video on, please post it on the group. I'm going to attend to it. You can see how easy it is. The front is ready. So we'll be cutting out 2 of this. That is side front, and this one will be on fold. Okay, now we'll be moving to the back. For the back, the little thing I'm doing here is the neckline. I want my back to be like this, and for fitting purpose, I'll be coming up here by 1/4 of an inch. You could do 1/2, and I will connect it here. I will do the same thing at the side, 1/2 inch. For fitting purpose, that's why I'm doing this. You can try it out and see the difference. Okay, I've already done the back shape in 1/2 inch. So since my front is 3.5, then here I'll come down again by 1 inch. I did 1 before, so I'm having 2 inches now. Then I will connect it now this way. Okay, now get it perfect curve there, and reshape. you get what you want. I'm going to adjust your curve ruler. It's not, hasn't given me what I want really, so continue to adjust it till you get what you want. Maybe I should just take it to where I love this shape, so let me just take it here. So it's not up to 2 inches. I did it. Cut it out now. Since I came down by ½ inch here in the front, I'm supposed to do that, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Cut out the back, so we'll be cutting 2 of this on our fabric, and here, as I said earlier, at the side here, I'm going to go up by ½ inch and connect it to the dart leg this way. I'm going to cut it out. So here is the front and here is the back. You can as well, if you want, make princess armhole at the back. So you extend the way we extend here, but this is the way I want it to be for now. So thank you for watching, and if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.